everybody, and welcome to my very first YouTube video. What should my YouTube video be about? That's a great question, so today let's talk about it. I don't know what my YouTube video should be about, that's why I'm making this video. This is actually my very first video on YouTube, and I'm not really sure what I should talk about. Not really sure where I want my channel to go. I do like the outdoors. There's a lot of focus right now in my life for remote income and full-time RV living. Right now we're doing homesteading. We've got chickens, we've got ducks, we've got cats, we've got dogs. There's a lot of content that I can bring. I'm not really sure where I should start. That's what this video is about. If you do have any ideas or suggestions or things that you really want to see, then just go ahead and put it in the comments below. There's going to be a subscribe spot and a link spot and notification spot. You already know what to do with that. There's jillions of other YouTubers out there telling you what to do. And, either way, I'm going to do a little bit of editing. I'm going to try to learn how to edit my videos so they'll be good videos. And I've watched a lot of videos also on how to make successful YouTube videos. And so far what I've come up with is everybody says you have to start by making a YouTube video. So here's mine. Hopefully if you're trying to do the same thing, if you're trying to become a creator or a YouTube influencer, you're just trying to make video blogs because you like making video blogs, maybe you're doing it for the money. I'm not even sure why I'm doing it yet, but once you figure it out, happy YouTubing. I hope that you get it all figured out. And in the meantime, stick around, like and subscribe, and I'll keep trying to bring you fresh content, and hopefully we can make our YouTube dreams come true. You, me, and everybody else. As always, thank you for watching my YouTube video. Notificate, subscribe, bell, you know what to do. I don't know, I don't really have any more content for the moment. Can't think of anything really cool and funny to say because this is my first time on camera and I am a little bit nervous. I'm not really sure if this is going to turn out. I did make a homemade bipod, which I'll probably be showing you guys in some future videos. We're also going to be talking about some different sets that I think I want to try to do, and backgrounds, backdrops. This is the first one I started off with. It's just a backdrop of the farm from my backyard. It's a pretty cool backdrop, I think. Looks nice, and hopefully the sun isn't making me a super duper dark individual. I didn't really think about lighting when I started this video, but that's another thing to think about, the lighting in the future and how to make my videos better. Hopefully you'll be around as my videos get better and I become a successful YouTuber. As always, thank you for stopping through, and bye. Hi everyone. What's going on, guys? How's it going? Welcome to my very first YouTube video. Welcome to my first YouTube video. Or no, wait. I think the subject line is today. Let's talk about it. So I hit the bell for the notifications. Like, subscribe, bell for subscribe. One of these have got to be right. I'm gonna try to learn how to edit my videos so they'll be good videos. As always, thank you for notificate. A homemade. As always, thank you for stopping through, and